Hi everyone, I'm Marina Kurkina and I'm Chief Business Officer at Academy Smart. And today I will explain you the fourth step that you should take when you start working on your learning management system. The main task of any e-learning professional is the delivering of the training that best fits the needs and learning requirements of their organization, customers and partners. Therefore, selecting between single-tenant and multi-tenant LMS architecture is very important. In this video, we're going to consider the differences between these two approaches and look at how does multi-tenant LMS work. So what are the differences between single-tenant and multi-tenant LMS? With multi-tenant LMS, users usually share a single tenant with the common infrastructure, application and database layers while having their separate data storages within it. In a single-tenant LMS, every user's data is stored in a separate instance with a separate database, application, and individual infrastructure. This means that every customer can adjust their LMS with their custom modules and therefore do not interfere with operations of the rest of the users. What does multi-tenant LMS architecture mean? Various features are needed to ensure the smooth operation of multiple tenants within a single LMS. Hierarchies and user groups are needed to exercise full control over who can see and access what is within your LMS. Customization options mean that every customer must be able to add their own logos, banners, and other details to reflect their company branding. Integration. So, for example, everybody should be able to provision new LMS users from within their HRM system, whichever it might be, via API calls. Reporting. This will require a complex reporting suite with ample filters to provide granular reports on separate user groups. It would be great to have automated and scheduled reports too. Communication. You will provide the users with the tools for communication, providing centralized feedback and the ability to be informed on new product features and initiatives. Thus, multi-tenant LMS is a complex structure that should enable your users to exercise the granular control and provide customization, integration, reporting, and communication tools. Multi-tenancy architecture models. To implement all the features mentioned above, a multi-tenant LMS should have quite a complex architecture, so there are several approaches to organizing this process. Complete multi-tenant, also called shared everything. So this model shares all the resources equally between all the users, using only for non-mission critical projects within a single organization, like employees onboarding, customers onboarding, etc. Single-tenant database or logical data separation. All the customers in this case share the same application, but databases are separated through implementing unique customers' IDs. Single-tenant application is opposite to the previous model. The database is common for all the users while the applications are isolated. So what are the benefits of the multi-tenancy? The most obvious benefit of using a multi-tenant LMS is the ease of access to the aggregated data, reports, trends, etc. So what might be the other benefits of multi-tenancy for your business? Mitigation of data safety risks, independent user role management for each customer, a variety of licensing and membership options, personalized reporting, and custom end-user settings and preferences. So what are the nuances of multi-tenancy implementation? So there are two main factors influencing the choice of an LMS implementation model. What value do they expect to get from this solution, and what might be the expected return on investments? So answering the questions below might help you to outline the implementation strategy. What particular business challenges will we solve using this LMS? What is the scope of losses if these challenges remain unsolved? And what business objectives are the priority now and how can we achieve them? By sorting out this question, you will understand how to best align your LMS implementation with the pressing needs and long-term strategy of your business. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to learn more about the differences between single-tenant and multi-tenant LMS, download your free copy of Academy Smart white paper following the link in the description to this video. And if you want to explore 3 previous steps you should consider while working on your learning management system development, go and check them on our YouTube channel. And coming next is the topic about the difference between cloud-based and on-premise LMS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. IT Company Academy Smart, develop smart.